Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to join the UGC program of Roblox. So first of all you have to just open a website which is named as dforum.roblox.ugc. You have to just search it in your browser. When you search for it you will find a lot of the websites, but you have to just select the second one, which is the update and the change to the UGC catalog application. So now click to open this website. So then you will find here such type of the interface where you have to just scroll down. You have to just find here for ready to apply option like this. Right after this heading you will find that please submit your application through this link. So you have to just click on the word link. So when you click on it you will find here this type of the interface. You have to just scroll down here, and at the end of this page you will find here please enter your birth date. You have to just put here your date of birth in order of month, date and then year of the birth. Once you're done you have to just click on the arrow. So right after that you will find here this form where you have to just put your first name, your last name, your email address, your Roblox username, and then you have to just put here your country, and then you have to just put here your Twitter handle. It means that you have to just put here your Twitter link, and unfortunately it is obligatory to put your Twitter handle here. So after this the last question is that how did you hear about this application. So you have to just put here for your friends or the family member or anyone that you want to join this application, and right after that you have to just click on the next option at the bottom right. After this application will be submitted. So that's all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.